Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. I am going to explain some concept related to chapter 7 integral NCERT 12 mathematics. The question I have taken prove that integral dx over under root x square minus a square equal to log mod x plus under root x square minus a square mod plus. Now come out to solution here. Solution implied that LHS is equal to integral dx over under root x square minus a square. How this question is going to be solved? You have to remember the trick and initial point in order to solve this question. Here you can see x is variable, a square is a constant. The variable ka square. Here dx, here x. X is variable, x is variable. What will do next? Here I shall write let x equal to a sec theta. You may ask from me, how you have let x equal to a sec theta? There is no shortcut, there is no theorem, but you have to remember when this type of question is there in question paper, you have to remember x equal to a sec theta. We shall let. And lots of practice are required in order to solve this type of question. Let us see. When you put x equal to sec theta here, it will become a square sec square theta minus a square. So you can take easily a square as a common. So you will get sec another bracket, you will get sec square theta minus 1. Comes out to be tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. That's why I have let x equal to a sec theta. What to do next? Now what to do here I shall write implies that dWRT theta. dWRT theta means differentiating x with respect to theta. You will get here implied that d over d theta of x equal to a is a content, I shall write in bracket d over d theta. Implies that here in denominator theta is there, in center x is available. X will be conjugated to d, comes out to be dx over d theta. So here write dx over d theta equal to, now here I have omitted something, a d over d theta of sec theta. You will get here implied that dx over d theta equal to a is a content, I shall write d over d theta of sec theta comes out to be sec theta tan theta. We shall get d over d theta of sec theta comes out to be sec theta dot tan theta. Again I shall write dx equal to a dot sec theta dot tan theta dot d theta. Now put the value here. Here I shall write implied that I equal to integral dx over under root x square minus a square. On substituting the value of x as well as dx, we shall get implied that I equal to, in place of dx I shall write a dot sec theta dot tan theta dot d theta. From this point we have got dx equal to a sec theta dot tan theta dot d theta. The same thing I shall write a dot sec theta dot tan theta dot d theta whole over under root, in place of x I shall write a sec theta. तो a sec theta का whole square comes out to be a square sec square theta minus a square. This thing will get. Now what will do next? Next I shall write implied that I equal to integral a dot sec theta dot tan theta dot d theta. Numerator I have written same as given at this place. Whole over, here first term is a square dot sec square theta. Second term is a square. You can take easily a square as a common. Under root a square comes out to be a. In bracket you will get sec square theta minus 1. This one you will get. Implied that I equal to integral a dot sec theta dot tan theta dot d theta whole over a dot under root sec square theta minus 1 comes out to be tan theta. Because formula is there, formula I shall write 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. You will get here tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. Implied that tan theta equal to under root sec square theta minus 1. This shall get. So in place of under root sec square theta minus 1, I shall write tan theta. What will do? A will be cancelled, tan theta will get cancelled. You will get here implied that I equal to integral sec theta dot tan theta we shall get. Implied that I equal to integral sec theta dot multiply numerator as well as denominator by sec theta plus tan theta. Let us here write sec theta plus tan theta. Bracket close dot d theta. Whole over here write sec theta plus tan theta. Here you can see in numerator sec theta plus tan theta. In denominator also sec theta plus tan theta is there. Sec theta plus tan theta will be cancelled with sec theta plus tan theta. You will get here integral sec theta dot d theta same as it is given here. Now again I shall write implied that I equal to integral sec square theta plus sec theta dot tan theta write in bracket dot d theta whole over sec theta plus tan theta. This thing will be written. What will do next? Again I shall let sec theta plus tan theta is equal to t, where t is variable, theta is also variable. What to do here? Here I shall write dwrt theta, implies that d over d theta of sec theta plus d over d theta of tan theta equal to dt over d theta. We shall get, implies that d over d theta of sec theta comes out to be sec theta dot tan theta plus d over d theta of tan theta comes out to be sec square theta dot d theta equal to dt. This thing will be written. Here sec square theta plus sec theta dot tan theta, I shall write t dt. Here sec square theta plus sec theta dot tan theta dot d theta, sec square theta plus sec theta dot tan theta dot d theta is equal to dt. So it will become, hence I equal to, by using the method of substitution we shall get integral, in denominator we shall get only dt, in denominator we shall get only d. Now again I shall write, implied that I equal to log mod t mod. Again I shall write, implied that I equal to log, in place of t I shall write sec theta plus tan theta. Now put the value here, imply that I equal to log mod, in place of sec theta I shall write x over a. Sec theta equal to x over a. So here you can get sec theta equal to x over a. So in place of sec theta I shall write x over a plus tan theta. Tan theta is equal to, I shall write under root sec square theta minus 1. So here write under root sec square theta minus 1 mod plus c, you can write c1, you can write. Now again I shall write, imply that I equal to log, I equal to log mod x over a plus under root sec square theta minus 1. So here in place of sec theta I shall write x over a. So sec square theta is equal to x square minus a square, we shall get minus 1 mod I shall write plus C1 implies that I equal to, now do the process the things here, log mod x plus here you will get under root x square minus a square, here x plus under root x square minus a square whole over a plus C1, because here you will get under root x square minus a square whole over under root a square comes out to be a. In denominator you will get here a is there. The x plus under root x square minus a square whole over a I have written. Now it can be written as I equal to log mod x plus under root x square minus a square mod minus log a plus C1. Here I have used the formula log m over n equal to log m minus log n. This formula we have used. Formula just I shall enclose in the box. Log m over n equal to log m minus log n. On basis of this formula, I can write very well log m over n, log m minus log n. Again I shall write imply that I equal to log mod x plus under root x square minus a square plus c, because minus log a plus c1 will be clubbed together, we shall write c. So I equal to log mod x plus under root x square minus a square mod plus c. We shall write like this. Hence, we have got the formula integral dx over under root x square minus a square equal to log mod x plus under root x square minus a square mod plus c. Hence integral dx over under root x square minus a square equal to log mod x plus under root x square minus a square mod plus. This is the formula you must remember. This is the proper explanation of solution of this question. This is the concept, one of the important concept you must remember, and lot of practice are required to develop and understand this type of concept. First of all, go through this question and solution thereof, and thereafter remember something like basic thing you have to remember here. Just for remembering the thing, just practice and keep the things in mind. Just after that, do the processing in the proper way and systematically. Okay guys, thanks.